how to exchange your propane tanks at Home Depot. You go inside, you tell them you're either going to exchange a propane tank or purchase a brand new one. Once you go inside, you have this, and then your redemption code will be right at the bottom here underneath this SKU. So, and then it says here, enter redemption code.
Enter the redemption code found on your receipt and then press the submit code button.
3881, submit. One of the doors should open.
Please tightly close the valve at the top of the tank by turning it
That'll
clockwise
open.
until it stops.
Make sure you tighten the top here. Put it back in.
When the door opens, please place your empty tank in the locker and close the door.
Once you put the empty tank in, it'll validate it, and then a new one will pop
your
open.
ready-to-go tank from the locker and then close the door.
And there's your new propane tank. That's what we got all for.